Come test drive this 2018 Ford F-150. With less than 4,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle offers power, spaciousness, and durability in a refined and innovative package. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 5-liter, 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, an outside temperature display, and much more. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.